What's going on, YouTube? This is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm be talking about the successful solution method. This is the members area. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start here. You're going to join the Facebook community. You're going to register as an affiliate. Step 3, increase your commissions. And step 4, you're going to claim your traffic package. Step 5, you're going to meet with your coach. And they added a new step, a Telegram group. You're going to join that group. You're going to download the Telegram app. And if you want to upgrade to a level, you're going to upgrade. Now, let me go ahead and take you to my back office. This is my back office. And after 2 weeks of joining the company, I've made $100. This is just after 2 weeks. Some people don't make that in the first 6 months to a year after joining an affiliate program. Now, this is a task-based company. You get paid by completing simple tasks. That's it. No selling, no recruiting, no nothing, anything like that. You just do simple tasks and you get paid. Now, to show you more proof of that, we're gonna go into our active Facebook group. All right. You see Mary Beth here, she made $150 just in one day alone. That's it. If you go down, my sponsor, Ontarian Hawkins, he made $200 in one day. So we'll keep going down. Marlene, she made $120 in one day. We'll just keep going down, showing different examples. Mary Beth again, $500 payment and $150 payment in one day. So that's totaling $650 in one day. You could make up to $1,200 in one day with this program app, just completing the daily tasks and the simple tasks that they tell you to do. Just follow the instructions and you'll be able to make over $500 a day. In some cases, $1,000 a day, like some people have. So we'll go down. More, same, my mentor again, he made, let's see, $150 here. And another $50, another two $50 payments and $150 payment. Okay, so that's another, $250 right there. So we'll keep going down the list, showing more examples of people making money. Let's see. Another, one of the members of the group, Charles Dix, he made $300 and another $50 payment. It's Sunday evening and I'm spending quality time with my family when I got notification, bam. It's just getting better and better. So $300 right there, $150, totaling $350 for the whole day. More people, examples of people making money. Let's go down the list here. So Shanae Hayes, she made $300 payment. Simply doing simple tasks. So if you want to know more information about this program, just be sure to click on the link below. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.